Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you've got an HP printer and want to connect it directly to your iPhone, trust me, it's really simple. I know that for beginners, setting up a printer can feel a little tricky. That's why I'm gonna show you every single step one by one. So, even if you've never connected a printer to your phone before, you'll be able to do it easily. Alright, let's dive in and get it done. You need to turn on your printer. On the printer's control panel, find the cancel and wireless buttons. Now, press and hold both the cancel and wireless buttons for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the power button will start flashing and the wireless light will blink. Now, go over to your iPhone and make sure it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Open your App Store, then download the HP Smart app and either create a new account or sign in to your existing HP account. If you need help with downloading the app, you can check out our other videos linked in the description. Once your HP Smart account is set up, open the app's home screen and tap on Add Printer. Select New Printer. Tap on your HP printer series. Wait while the app detects your Wi-Fi network. When your network appears, enter your password and tap on Continue. Now, the app will ask you to press the blinking information button on your printer. Once connected, tap Continue. Review the printing services info and tap on Accept All. If prompted, install paper and ink cartridges, then tap Done. Your printer will now appear at the top of the app's home screen. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.